What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and welcome here to a beautiful sunny day. We're here with the 10th Gen Club. We're at the Sick Rides for Sick Kids car show. It's a huge charity car show, raising money obviously for the hospital for sick children. There's also a couple other charities here, and yeah, there's also like a friendly competition happening. The judging actually I think is starting now, but yeah, I'm right in the middle. As you see, our clubs all around me here. We're also going to walk around in a minute and take a look at what else is here because there's a lot of crazy things. But yeah, the judge is happening right now, so I'm going to kind of wait for my car to get judged. It's looking all shiny. And actually, last night we did a couple more little interior mods just to make it look a little bit better. If you guys remember before, we had the blue trim. Well, the blue trim is now back in the car. And I have to give a huge shout out to my mom who helped me. Well, I say help, but she basically wrapped the entire dash for me last night. We finished it at about 10:30 last night in preparation for today's show. But yeah, that's where we're at today, guys. So stay tuned for the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, so I'm sorry for the kind of abrupt end to the Sick Rides video, but it was the end of a long week. I was absolutely tired. I actually fell asleep a couple times at the actual car show. So yeah, I wasn't feeling the greatest, so that's why it was just kind of a quick run through. But anyways, I just wanted to say Sick Rides for Sick Kids, it was volume 6 for them. It was my first time attending. It was a great turnout. According to the organizers, it was the biggest show they've had yet. The parking lot was absolutely full to the max, so that was great to see from everyone who came out, especially my 10th Gen Club. We came out in pretty good numbers as well. I didn't win anything in the judging competition, but some of my friends did, so congrats to all of you guys who won. Obviously, you know who you are. But yeah, this year's charity of choice for the Sick Ride show was the Autism Ontario, and specifically the Durham region, I guess a branch of Autism Ontario. And I know just from looking on their Instagram page, Facebook page, the Sick Rides for Sick Kids team counted up everything, and we raised $6,500. I think a little bit above that number for that charity. So once again, a big congratulations to the team. Great turnout by everyone who came out. There was a lot of cool cars. Again, guys, I was extremely tired that day, so I apologize if the video was not the greatest, but I want to try to walk around and get kind of a sense of all the different cars that were there. And yeah, it was a great event. Look forward to doing it again next year. But just like that, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please give it a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel down below. All my social media links will be down there as well in the description, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.